Welcome to Professor Sparkle's lab. Let the fun begin.
If you've ever sneezed so hard your friends laughed, you're not alone. Sneezing is actually super cool. Let's find out why. Okay, so when dust tickles your nose, when pepper tickles your nose, your body goes, "No way!" Your brain sends a turbo speed message, and boom! You sneeze. Air blasts out of your nose and out of your mouth at up to 100 miles per hour. Whoa, that's faster than a cheetah. Sneezing helps keep your nose clean and your body healthy. So next time you sneeze, say thanks, body. It's got your back. Stay curious and keep those sneezes covered.